Rock Computer College. Define quality training in information technology.
When you're working with longer documents, it can be difficult at times and time-consuming to locate a specific word or phrase. Now, Word can automatically search your document using the Find feature, and it also allows you to quickly change words or phrases using the Replace feature. So from the Home tab, click Find command. So under Home tab, Find command, and then the navigation pane will appear on the left side of the screen. Now type the text you want to find in the field at the top of the navigation pane. So let's say I want to search for software. And if the text is found in the document, it will be highlighted in yellow, just like so, and the results will appear in the navigation pane. Alternatively, you can click one of the results below the arrows to jump to it. So if I click on this, it will take me to the fourth appearance of that word in my document, and then I can make the changes that I want, or I can have a look at it. Then you can get more options if you click this drop down arrow, then you get more options from here. So once you're done doing whatever you want, you click this icon to close, just like that. Now let's look at using the Replace feature. Now at times you may discover that you've made a mistake repeatedly throughout your document, such as misspelling a name, or that maybe you need to exchange a particular word or phrase for another. Now you can use the Words Find and Replace feature to quickly make revisions. So from Home tab, again, from Home tab, click on the Replace icon or command. Then the Find and Replace tab will appear. Here it is, it's a dialog box. It will appear. Now you can type the text you want to find in the Find What box. So let's say I want to find the word task. Then in the Replace with box, I type the word that I want to replace it with. So let's say I want to replace it with chore. So then click on Find Next, and it will show you the first appearance of that word. If you click Find Next again, it will tell you whether there is more options or it was the only one. So in my case, I only had one appearance of it, so I'll click on No because there is only one appearance of that word. Then click on Replace. It will ask you whether you want to continue, then click on Yes, and then it will replace that word with the one that you chose. So if I close this is the word. Previously it was task, but currently it's chore. So that's how you find and replace words in Word.